Hey guys, welcome to this video. Yes, I shaved, my beard was getting a bit scratchy. It is what it is. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a WordPress website completely for free using anti-gravity from Google. Let's just jump into it. Okay, so you might have noticed that I've been using anti-gravity more and more. The reason is it's completely free. I really like Gemini 3 Flash, and I'm kind of just trying to show people what you can actually do with free models. Now, free is obviously better than paid, unless you've got a lot of money to invest. So we're just going to jump on anti-gravity. Let's open a new folder. Let's say new folder, and let's say WordPress website test, right? And then we'll open up this folder right here. Yes, I trust the authors because the author is me. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to set up the environment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say to Gemini 3 Flash, the agent right here, please create me an environment on Docker with a WordPress website that you can control. Make sure WordPress is installed. Just use admin and admin as the username and password, and make sure you can run your own WordPress commands. Just before continuing, guys, a quick word from our sponsor, me. HarborSEO.ai is now free for 3 months. We're updating this thing pretty much every single week. If I show you the latest feature, if I just go on the linker here, we just created a link bait building feature, which basically generates these pages that you can see here with, for example, an infographic or a calculator or something like that on it, which will help you get backlinks, but also huge amounts of traffic that will get you in LLMs and also to the top of Google. Also, just another quick thing to mention is we're also currently offering 50% off our backlinks. So if you do need backlinks and you just need that little bit of an extra push for your business, then you can get some extremely cost-effective links right now, $375 a month, with a 50% discount on top of that. The first 3 months are 180 euros for 28 contextual backlinks, going all the way up to 204 backlinks. And obviously this is 50% off as well. So definitely, guys, sign up for Harbor. Harbor itself is completely free. The backlinks as well are 50% off. Come and talk today, or just sign up HarborSEO.ai. Thanks for the attention. Let's get back to the video. Right. So this should be a fairly easy task, right? Just setting up a pretty simple WordPress website inside Docker. Like, it's extremely simple stuff for any AI model to do, right? So let's just see if this works. So Docker's not running, so it's already worked out problem number one, which is forgot to start Docker. So we'll just start Docker up here, and that should help things. Okay, so Docker is now running. You will need Docker installed, obviously, and you'll need it to have access to running Docker commands. These are just basic things. I can't help you massively with those things, guys. Just download Docker, make sure it's installed. Make sure when you run Docker version, there is some kind of response, right? And now you can see it's starting up the Docker containers. Success, WordPress installed successfully. So this should have, WordPress running very shortly. Okay, guys, so you can see here, this is running. So we have this is a locally installed WordPress website, right? So yeah, I mean, that's how easy it was. I didn't really pause the video at all at any point there. So we can see just how simple it is to get one of these projects running. Okay, so I think this might be using the Docker container thing right here instead of this, because I can't actually see it running here, which is kind of weird. But that's fine. It's not a big problem. Oh, it might be this one here, actually. WordPress website test. Yeah, it's this one here. Okay, perfect. The CLI isn't running for some reason. Okay, so let's just jump over to Stitch. So stitch.withgoogle.com. And let's just click on web design. I'm just going to say, make me a homepage design for a directory for AI tools. Yeah, that's it for AI tools. So let's make an AI tools directory today on WordPress. That is the plan for this video. But with WordPress, you can make service-based websites. You can even, by the way, which is really, really cool and definitely worth mentioning, you can say add WooCommerce to my WordPress site, and you can actually make a WordPress website as well. If you want a WooCommerce website, sorry, if you want more information on that, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on that as well. We'll just let Stitch run real quick. Actually, while Stitch is running, we can start to gather some data, right? Okay, so for data, let's just try and search here first. I'm not sure if this is going to work because of how these things actually work, but find me 10 AI tools that I can use for a directory about AI tools. Include Harbor SEO.ai as one of them. Find information about them and output them in the same JSON, in the same templated JSON file that can be used to populate a website after. Okay, so again, this might not work. I think it can though, because it can do web search, which is all you actually need for this process. So we'll just let this run and hopefully it'll be able to do this. And Gemini 3 Flash has such a large context window that we can actually play around with this pretty easily. Okay, so it's kind of going beyond the scope of what I told it to do here. We've got AI tools.json, right? You can see that it has actually got the correct stuff here. It's just doing loads of random shit now that I did not ask it to do, but that's okay. It's not a massive issue. We did actually need all of this stuff, so it's not a problem. Just going to keep pressing accept all here. It's actually starting to import everything. Like I said, I didn't ask it to do this, but it's just cool to see how the AI just kind of gets on with stuff. So I've successfully set up your WordPress environment and populated it with 10 AI tools, including Harbor SEO.ai. So now if we go to, is it on posts? Let's just see. We should already have some, yeah, look at that, bang. So we already have the posts here. Let's just open up harborseo.ai, for example. So you can see, there we go. We've got the bare bones of what we want here, right? So I'm going to say, I think you can find more information for each AI tool. Please do that now, right? And then while that's running, let's just see if Stitch is done. It's not quite done just yet. Now, guys, normally this stuff takes, like, I would be looking at maybe an hour for this entire video. Right now, I've spent 5 minutes, and I'm at, like, the furthest point that you could possibly be for what we're doing. It's crazy, actually, how fast it is. And again, every single tool that I've used so far, completely free. This is a free anti-gravity account. And by the way, guys, if you run out of usage on anti-gravity, you can actually log out and log back in and continue the conversation with a new set of usage. So it's kind of crazy, to be honest with you. The fact that the largest bottleneck right now is the design is actually kind of funny. So there we go. We've now got much more detail here. You can keep prompting, keep saying, give me more, find me more tools, et cetera, et cetera. But yeah, for now, we'll just stick with this. I think this is probably going to be enough information, right? So what we can start to do is we can start to build the rest of the bones of the directory, right? And the way that we're going to do that in just a second is we're going to say things like, can you now create I think they're called taxonomy pages on WordPress, like the category pages that come from the tags, so that if you click the SEO tag, you can see all of the AI SEO tools, for example, et cetera, et cetera. So we'll do that in just a second. Okay, so we do have the design. I'll show you that in just a second. I'm just going to say, now please start to add the category pages so tags and features have their own pillar and sub pillar pages where people can browse, which also will be the I don't think you guys can see me typing that actually. Sorry, let me just change where I am, which will also be the way the SEO of this website works. Also do the meta titles, meta descriptions, and titles for all of these pages too. There we go. We'll just send that. And then we have the design right here. So this is fine. I mean, you could iterate on this if you wanted. I'm not going to. If I can get something that looks like this, I would be happy, right? So you can double click here and you can go to view code, and then that should load, and then just copy code. That's all you actually need to do. It's super, super simple. Okay, so we can start to see these categories coming, right? So we have SEO and content. If we click here, then you can see Harbor is here. Unfortunately, right now this just says Cat 2, which I'm not a massive fan of, but maybe we can change that. But that's okay. We have the bare bones of the entire project right here. Now, a lot of these key features, there's just one, which kind of sucks as well. Okay, so we actually, if we go on slash image generation, so slash category slash image generation, you can see we have this page right here. Beautiful. So you can maybe see kind of where the idea is coming from. We're kind of building this from the ground up, which is actually pretty nice. So one of the only things that was it doing its own test there. One of the only things I want to change is on SEO and content, for example. Oh no, it doesn't say cat 2 anymore. Perfect. Okay, wow, that was extremely fast as well. It's crazy how fast these things are getting, guys. So now let's do the most important thing so that you guys don't think I'm crazy and I'm making the worst directory ever. Make this entire site, including all pages, have this TSS. Also, the homepage has to look exactly like this. There we go. I'm going to paste this. Now, this has been literally about 12 minutes. I would say, which is just ridiculous, guys. It's absolutely ridiculous. So can it handle this task? This is a slightly more difficult task, to be honest with you, I would say. I would argue. Making this inside a new theme with all of the custom category pages and everything that we just made. It is a little bit more difficult, to be honest with you, so we'll see how Flash handles this. But for example, we could have swapped over to Sonnet 4.5 for this if we wanted. But I do want to try and do everything with Gemini Flash just because I think it's interesting that the speed of things is just ridiculous. It's honestly ridiculous. Like this shit used to take hours and hours and hours just to get to this point. It's not even an exaggeration either. So you can press visit website, it goes straight to harborseo.ai. Wow, it's crazy how fast this has been. So the reason that I stopped using local WordPress, by the way, a lot of people still ask me about local WordPress. The main reason is it can't run its own CLI commands, right? So you would have to run a lot of the commands manually. So for example, if you wanted to change theme, because obviously right now nothing is changing here. The reason being is because the theme is staying the same. So we actually have to change the theme here, right? So the way to do that is through CLI commands, right? But previously, just like literally a year ago or 6 months ago, so now you can see it's just changed the theme using CLI. So now when I refresh this, come on, guys, that's impressive. You've got to admit, you've got to say that that is fucking cool. That took 13 minutes ish. I'm not actually sure exactly how long it took, but look at that. Tell me that that's not completely crazy. This is a WordPress website directory built in. I don't even think it was 13 minutes, literally. And it was maybe 6 prompts, right? And we're pretty much done. I might actually release this website, by the way. I'm not fully decided on whether I'm going to release this website or not. Obviously, the main reason I would want to release it is because I want to advertise Harbor. Wow, it's crazy how fast this was. It's honestly ridiculous. Now, just in the interest of making a complete video, I'm just going to show you guys the kind of final stage of this, which is releasing the website onto a DigitalOcean droplet. I use DigitalOcean just because it seems to be the kind of easiest for AI to use itself. So what you do is you generate an API token, and I will be deleting this token at the end of this video, so don't bother trying to grab it, right? You just copy this and then say launch this website onto a DigitalOcean I'm just going to say DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean. Make it as cheap as possible. Make sure it has everything that we have now, like all the pages and the design, etc. Right? And then we give it an API key. I'm just going to say use curl requests. For some reason, I'm not sure why the DigitalOcean CLI doesn't work on my computer. I think it's probably because I have an API key that's been set on my Mac, and it's no longer valid, basically. So we'll just let that run. And while that's running, we can check the app platform right here. It might become a droplet. I'm not actually sure what it's going to use. I think it normally uses droplets for WordPress. So I will watch the droplets and I'll be back when this is done. It's currently 12:44. Okay, and 15 minutes later, we have a live WordPress website, right? It's that easy, guys, honestly. I can't stress this enough. This shit is ridiculously strong now. Okay, apparently that's not the right information anymore. Okay, my password was just password. If I go to posts, bang, everything is here. This is a live WordPress website, everyone. Okay, so now you could sell this, give this to a client. And again, this is just a directory example. You can do this with literally anything. I'll do a service-based website as well if people want me to, using Nano Banana to generate images, etc., etc. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much everything that I have to show you guys. Let's just go to Harbor's page here. Bang. I mean, this is crazy, guys. This shit used to, even like a couple of months ago, it would take a few hours, right? But because of Gemini 3 Flash being so damn quick, it's pretty much instant. I'm pretty sure it generated this image with AI as well. I'm 99% sure. Anyway, guys, I'll leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. And I will see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.